For over 25 years, MIND Cable Services has been a leader in innovative solutions for the management and connection of medium and high voltage cables in the mining and port industries. Headquartered in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, our state-of-the-art facilities enable us to design and manufacture high-quality electrical connection systems. Our product portfolio includes low and medium voltage connection systems, cable repair equipment and supplies, and specialized cable handling equipment designed to ensure safe and efficient operations. Our team of experts is dedicated to delivering comprehensive solutions, including cable repair equipment and specialized training, to ensure efficient and safe operations for our clients. With our office in Panama City, we serve all of Latin America, offering customized solutions, training, and technical support throughout the region. At MIND Cable Services, we take pride in being your optimal connection, delivering reliable, efficient, and durable solutions for all your medium and high voltage cable and connection needs. Our commitment to safety, innovation, and long-term performance makes us a trusted partner in powering your operations.